guys, Tabs' Jaguar F-Pace, all fully customized with a black pack. So let's go to the front of the car and show you guys what has been transformed. When the car came in, it was all chrome and silver, and you can see we have done a full black pack dechrome on this car. The centre grille surround in gloss black, these two trims here in gloss black, and also the front toe cover here as well in gloss black. We've also continued the black pack theme, and we have done a black pack on these side vents. When they came in, they were silver, so now they are gloss black, and we've left the Jaguar emblem in chrome so it stands out and looks visible. And coming along the bottom of the doors, you can see it had these three trims running along the side of the car. They were silver, and we've also done them in gloss black, so it adds a lot of definition, a lot of depth to the car, and makes it stand out, whereas before it was all just silver and one colour, and it wasn't really standing out from the car. In terms of the back of the car, this diffuser piece over here was previously silver. You can see from factory this car has got this section of the rear bumper in black, and this section complements it very nicely, and then you've got this silver that breaks it off in between. So you can see it all flows with the lines of the car, and it all flows with the rest of the car and looks very, very nice. So hopefully Tabs is happy with the final result, but I've just noticed one thing. He did mention to me he wants this Jaguar F-Pace debadging, so I shall do that right now. I won't disturb the technicians, I'll get my own hands dirty for once, and we'll quickly debadge that. Other than that, everything else is done on the car. Actually, I forgot, we have also tinted the windows on this car, so you can see when the car came in it didn't have the privacy glass, and now they are tinted so you can't see inside the car. They're not limo tinted, but they are quite dark so you can't see inside the car, so that looks quite good. Let's take that out, they've forgotten.
Yeah, no later than half two because I need to shoot off as well.
Tegan, no worries, that's fine.
What does it look like? What does it look like?
It looks nice, mashallah, it looks lovely.
Does it?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Oh, do you know what, I can't wait to see it. I am a bit excited. So let's see what the score is. Eh?
Alright, cool, we'll see you then, inshallah.
Alright.
Oh, okay, bye. Right, let's get rid of these badges. Last time I tried to take some badges off, they were really difficult to take off. I think it was on Paul, big shout out to Paul from Manchester. These look alright, they're very easy. Oh, they've just come straight off. That was quick, wasn't it? Quick and easy. Very easy. Right, let's get some panel wipe on here. So let's get a bit of polish on here. There we have it, guys, voila. Quick little 5-minute job. Actually, guys, I noticed Tabs has got a little scratch on the back bumper. So while it's here, let's try and see if we can get that out for him as well. Come closer, let's show you the scratch first. Have a look at that. It's got a little hairline scratch.
Whoa! What the hell is going on here?
What's going on, buddy?
Oh my god, it's my dream to see you in gloves and working.
We've got to crack on.
Oh my god. This is like a dream come true for me. Finally, you've got them gloves on. You're doing something physical. I mean, you're doing a brilliant job of what you do, don't get me wrong, but always
Got to chip in somewhere.
get hands-on. Like, you
course.
throw me back into the workshop, that's why you never see me.
That's I thought, no point distracting
I'll
the
tell you
lads.
what, once I've done a few of my projects, so obviously I'm working on a few projects behind the scenes, which you'll all know about very soon. Some new body kits that we're working on. Once they're complete,
Yeah.
and I'm back in my
Mojo.
mojo, my
Yeah.
three-piece suit, which I've never worn actually at work, you can go spend a week in the workshop, and I think that'll be a brilliant vlog to see you work under Lala, Asad, Luke, and the team like an apprentice, and let's see how you get them. So stay tuned for that, guys, because this is absolutely amazing.
We've just done a quick debadge, so that's all done. We're just trying to get this little scratch
Debadge,
off.
mate.
Debadge, yeah.
You were doing
yeah.
like de-painting and de-bodykits in there.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that, but
I'll tell you about that, and you won't be forgetting about your hair. Tell you, just forget about your hair. I've been wearing a cap for the past few weeks, and today, obviously, it's Friday, so I thought I'd just do my hair up for Friday prayers.
you're going for a trim, cheeky little trim during lunch.
I'm not, no trim, mate. I'm going to Moss, I'm having my lunch straight back into the workshop. But
Yeah.
this is brilliant. Wow. Lovely. Loving it.
It's nearly gone, you know, guys. It's nearly gone. Obviously, guys, the proper way of doing it is getting a buffer and doing it that way, because this scratch does look a little bit deeper, but we've got to use the resources that we've got at the moment. All done. I'll get Mr. J to come down and just do a proper job of it, get the polish buffer out and give it a quick little buff. But other than that, there you have it, guys. The Jaguar F-Pace for tabs, all fully customised. So it's a new S-Class. I've never really been in an S-Class before, to be honest with you, but growing up, it was one of my favourite saloon cars, along with the Audi A7. But this car is literally the pinnacle of luxury in terms of saloon vehicles. And it's the first time I'm going to be sitting in one, and let's see what it's like. It's literally full of gadgets and features. Has it got soft closing doors? Let's have a look. Yep, and it is literally like a spaceship in here. The customer mentioned to me as well, when he goes on the motorway, it's got some self-driving feature as well, where it stays in the lanes and stuff like that, packed with loads of gadgets. So I'm turning the heating up, and you can see all the strobe lighting on the dash, and now I'm putting it down, and you can see blue lights. That's quite cool, that the ambient lighting in here. Put the fan speed a bit higher. So it's got nice mood lighting in here. It's got a panoramic roof as well, which opens. It's not even gloss black, it's like a wooden effect. Yeah, it's like a deep wooden effect, and it's nice and warm. Heated steering wheel. Check out all these features as well. These seats, lovely seats these are. Nice pattern in there as well. Let's adjust these seats a bit. One thing I'm not too keen on is these new screens though. Like, trying to navigate this screen is very, very complex. What's that noise? Speed severely restricted. Ah, you can see, guys, the car is detecting other restraints and obstacles around it, so it's reducing the speed. So let's take that off, remove restriction, and now I can freely, it's like a Rolls Royce. Right, guys, another lovely feature, one of my favourite features on a car is a heads-up display. It's so convenient, and literally I can just see over here, it's got like all sorts of features on the heads-up display as well. It tells you the speed and some other things as well, the speed limiter, the steering controls and stuff. You will be able to see this on the camera, will you? The heads-up display, only I can see it. It's like a aid feature for the driver. This is a very big car, you know. Alright guys, it's nice, warm and cozy in there. Let's quickly get this wrapped up. So, front end of the S-Class, what we're going to be doing is changing the centre grille. and fitting it with a subtle body kit. So it's getting a front splitter, and all these chrome trims and accents will be going to be gloss black. Coming around the side of the car, I still need to confirm with the customer, but I reckon we're doing a full D-chrome on here as well. So whatever is silver will be going gloss black. Also forgot to mention the customer's also changing the alloy wheels as well. The boot trim will most likely be going gloss black, and the back bumper of the S-Class will be removed, and it's getting a gloss black diffuser with the quad exhaust pipes as well. So it's a subtle body kit for the S-Class, and let's see what this transformation turns out like. Wow, what a massive transformation this subtle body kit has made. I love that center grille, quite a nice looking center grille, fully blacked out, and we've done a full D-chrome on this as well. So all this section was chrome before, and now we've wrapped it in gloss black. It's been fitted with a front splitter. It's got these intake canards on the side. It's got some DRL lights in there as well. Just for all you viewers out there, we don't really supply this body kit. The customer purchased this body kit, and it was a special request from him to get this fitted by us here at Enkahnz, and he also sourced and provided the wheels himself. Let's have a look at what size these wheels are. 255 40 20. So there's some 20-inch alloy wheels on there, gloss black, and it's got a hint of chrome on there, which matches the Mercedes emblem on the bonnet. And we've done a full D-chrome around the windows as well. All these trims and pillars have been wrapped in gloss black, along with the handles as well. The side sills have also been done as well in gloss black, so they've been wrapped. Coming around the back of this S-Class, we fitted it with a boot spoiler in gloss black, full D-chrome as well over here around the lights, and we fitted it with the rear diffuser with the quad exhaust tips. And now this S-Class looks like a very, very sporty S-Class. It's giving me like E63S type of vibes. It does look like a rocket, to be honest. And I also forgot to mention, actually, we've done this pillar here as well. So this trim was originally white. Because it's got a black roof already, a glass sliding roof, we've also just continued that theme and wrapped this section here in gloss black. So it looks quite nice and flows with the car. What a massive transformation it makes just by getting a subtle body kit, just by doing a few little D-chrome bits. Crazy customization that is. So if you've got a 4x4 and SUV and you'd like to get it customized, give us a call and we can get that sorted for you. Cars like this, we don't really customize much, to be honest, but since he's one of our loyal regular customers, and he said he's already got the body kit and wheels and he just wanted to fit it by us, we thought we'd just quickly squeeze this project in and showcase it to you guys out there. So yeah guys, this was just a quick little transformation that I thought I'd showcase to you guys, just a little bit of extra content, just to switch things up a little bit as well, because I know some of you guys out there, you get a bit bored of the Range Rovers and the G-Wagons, so this is something a little bit different and unique.